Have you ever wondered about an element that is lighter than aluminum, yet stronger than steel? Meet beryllium, an element that dances to its own rhythm on the periodic table. With its symbol as B and holding the fourth position in the table, beryllium presents itself as a unique element, shrouded in mystery and full of surprises. As we delve deeper, we'll unravel the enigma that is beryllium, an element that continually defies expectations. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of beryllium. The story of beryllium began in the 18th century. The year was 1798, a time of discovery and exploration, not only of new lands but also of the elements that make up our world. Among these elements was beryllium, a new addition to the chemical family, discovered by none other than the French chemist Louis-Nicolas Vauquelin. Vauquelin wasn't looking for new elements when he stumbled upon beryllium. He was studying the mineral known as beryl, a gemstone often mistaken for emerald due to its vibrant green color. Vauquelin was intrigued by the mineral's unique properties, so he decided to investigate further. He took a sample of beryl and began to analyze it, breaking it down into its basic components. To his surprise, he found something he did not recognize. It was a new element, one that had not been identified before, and he had discovered it purely by chance. Vauquelin was thrilled by his discovery. He had found a new element, a new piece of the puzzle that makes up our world. He named it beryllium, after the mineral beryl, from which it was first extracted. The name was fitting, as the element and the mineral shared many properties, including their beautiful green color. But the discovery of beryllium was more than just a contribution to the periodic table. It was a testament to the power of curiosity and the potential of scientific investigation. Vauquelin's discovery showed the world that even the most common of substances could hold secrets waiting to be unveiled. The discovery of beryllium was a significant milestone in the history of science. It expanded our understanding of the elements and their properties, paving the way for further discoveries in the field of chemistry. And it all started with a curious chemist and a vibrant green mineral. And that's how beryllium entered the world of science. It was a journey of discovery driven by curiosity and a desire to understand the world around us. A journey that continues to this day, as scientists all over the world strive to uncover the secrets of the elements. Beryllium might seem like a regular element, but it has some impressive qualities. Now let's delve into what makes this element truly stand out. Let's start with its physical properties. Beryllium is a light element, 1/3 lighter than aluminum, yet it possesses a surprising strength. In fact, it's as strong as steel, which is quite remarkable for such a lightweight element. This combination of lightness and strength makes it an ideal choice for applications where weight is a critical factor, but durability cannot be compromised. Another interesting physical property of beryllium is its high melting point. It can withstand temperatures up to 1,280 degrees Celsius. That's over 2,350 degrees Fahrenheit. This high melting point, combined with its excellent thermal conductivity, means that beryllium can efficiently transfer heat, making it a great choice for applications in high-temperature environments. Now let's move on to the chemical properties of beryllium. This element is renowned for its resistance to corrosion. Even when exposed to water or oxygen, beryllium remains unscathed, maintaining its integrity and strength. This resistance to corrosion means that beryllium is long-lasting, reducing the need for frequent replacements and making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Finally, one of the most unique properties of beryllium is its transparency to X-rays. This property makes it incredibly useful in medical and scientific applications. Imagine a window that allows X-rays to pass through without any obstruction, providing a clear, unaltered view. That's exactly what beryllium can offer. So from its lightweight but strong nature, its high melting point, excellent thermal conductivity, resistance to corrosion, and its remarkable transparency to X-rays, beryllium is truly an element with a unique set of properties. These unique properties make beryllium a highly sought-after element in various fields. From the depths of space to your everyday life, beryllium plays a vital role. Let's take a journey through time and explore the fascinating applications of this incredible element. In the early days, beryllium found its first practical use in fluorescent lamps. In the early 20th century, scientists discovered that beryllium could emit electrons when exposed to light. This property made it a prime candidate for use in fluorescent lamps. The beryllium coating inside the lamp would absorb ultraviolet light and emit visible light, creating a soft, pleasant glow that illuminated many homes and offices. As science progressed, so did the uses for beryllium. During the Cold War, it found a new home in the aerospace and defense industries. Beryllium's lightweight and ability to withstand high temperatures made it a perfect fit for the era's cutting-edge technology. It was used in the construction of military aircraft, missiles, and space vehicles. Even today, beryllium is a key component in the space industry. It's used in the production of mirrors for space telescopes, including the famous Hubble Space Telescope. But the story of beryllium doesn't stop there. This versatile element has found its way into our daily lives in ways we may not even realize. In the electronics industry, beryllium's high thermal conductivity and electrical resistance make it invaluable. It's used in the production of computer components, mobile phones, and telecommunication equipment. When you're making a call, sending a text, or streaming a video, there's a good chance beryllium is helping to make it happen. And let's not forget about beryllium's role in the medical field. Its ability to be transparent to X-rays makes it a crucial component in the manufacturing of medical imaging devices. Beryllium windows in these devices allow X-rays to pass through with minimal distortion, providing clearer, more accurate images that help doctors diagnose and treat illnesses. Beryllium's journey from fluorescent lamps to cutting-edge technology is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of scientific discovery. It's a reminder that even the smallest elements can have the biggest impacts on our lives. Beryllium, an unsung hero, is quietly powering our modern world. And who knows what future applications we'll discover for this incredible element? As we continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, there's no telling what other roles beryllium will play in shaping our world. So what makes beryllium so special? We've journeyed through the story of beryllium, a tale woven into the fabric of our universe, and traced its path from obscurity to a vital part of our everyday lives. We've delved into the mysteries of this element, from its discovery in the late 18th century by French chemist Louis-Nicolas Vauquelin, to its unique properties and wide-ranging applications. Let's take a moment to reflect on the truly incredible journey of beryllium. Its discovery was not an easy feat. Hidden within the bright green, gem-like crystals of beryllium aluminate, this element remained a mystery, until Vauquelin's relentless curiosity and scientific prowess led him to uncover its secrets. It was a breakthrough that opened up a new world of possibilities, allowing us to harness the potential of this fascinating element. Then, we ventured into the realm of beryllium's unique properties. A lightweight metal with a sturdy disposition, it's hard to believe that something so small could be so strong. But beryllium's strength is only one facet of its uniqueness. It's also a fantastic conductor of heat and electricity, and it's transparent to X-rays, properties that make it an indispensable component in many industries. We've also explored the myriad applications of beryllium, from the high-tech aerospace industry to the humble bicycle. Beryllium's lightweight, combined with its strength and conductivity, make it the perfect choice for many applications. It's used in the production of spacecraft, missiles, and satellites, where weight and strength are of paramount importance. It's also found in everyday items like mobile phones, computers, and even golf clubs, proving that this element is as versatile as it is unique. But perhaps the most awe-inspiring use of beryllium is in our quest to understand the universe. The mirrors of the James Webb Space Telescope, set to replace the Hubble, are coated with a thin layer of beryllium. This allows the telescope to peer into the furthest reaches of space, helping us to unravel the mysteries of our universe. Beryllium, as we've seen, is a remarkable element that has changed our world in many ways. Who knew something so small could make such a big difference?